In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install TradingOcta app from Google Play Store. Should this help, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have been trying to install TradingOcta but you are unsuccessful, then follow these steps to fix this. Now, in the first method, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store on your smartphone. And from here, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. Once you are logged on, you should see your email here. Go ahead and search for your app and try to install it. However, still, if you can't install this app, even when you are logged in, then head over to your email account profile here and then tap on it and then scroll down to settings here. And under settings, go ahead and look for network preferences. From here, if you click on this, now you can see we have quite a number of options here. So go ahead and choose on app download preferences. And from here, make sure you choose over any network. This will allow you to download this app over any network that you are connected on. Then tap on OK. And now head to Google Play Store here, search for your app, and you should be able to install it. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for your app, or go to settings and look for the app manager for Play Store, or alternatively you can just long press on your Google Play Store here and choose app info to take you to the app information page. From here, go ahead and clear Google Play Store app data, and more especially cache files. So if I tap on clear data here, choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. From here, start your smartphone and now go to Play Store. Then search for your app, and once you have found it, now tap on install. And as you can see here, now TradingOcta app is being installed on my smartphone. So that's how you can fix can't install TradingOcta from Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.